In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe Payment Gateway in WooCommerce. We'll start inside your WordPress admin dashboard. From there, go to Plugins, then select Add New. This is where you can install new functionality for your WooCommerce store, including payment gateway integrations. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, use the search bar to look for WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. When the plugin appears in the results, click Install Now, and after the installation finishes, click Activate. Activating the plugin makes Stripe available as a payment option inside your WooCommerce settings. After that, head back to your dashboard and go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Payments tab. This section shows all the payment methods available for your store, and it's where you'll manage how customers pay during checkout. In the list of payment methods, find Stripe. Turn it on using the toggle, then click Manage. Inside the Stripe settings, click the Connect with Stripe button. This is the easiest and most reliable way to link your WooCommerce store with your Stripe account without manually copying credentials. You'll then be redirected to the Stripe website. Log into your existing Stripe account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Follow the authorization prompts carefully to connect your online store to your Stripe dashboard. Once the connection is complete, you'll be sent back to your WooCommerce settings. Now it's time to configure the main settings. Review the title and description that customers will see at checkout and make sure they're clear and professional. You can also check the supported card options and decide whether to enable Stripe checkout. These settings affect the customer payment experience, so it's worth taking a moment to confirm everything matches how you want your store to operate. Next, test the integration. This is a very important part of the setup process because it helps you confirm that payments are being processed correctly before you start accepting real customer orders. Go through the checkout flow and make sure the payment method appears properly and behaves as expected. Once you're confident everything is working, return to WooCommerce, then Settings, then Payments, and open the Stripe page again. This brings you back to the final part of the setup. Now uncheck the Enable Test Mode box, then click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Disabling test mode switches your store from testing to live payment processing, which means real customer payments can now be accepted through Stripe. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store is now set up with Stripe, and you're ready to start taking payments online.